Ruben Amorim has boarded his flight to Manchester to begin work as Manchester United's new head coach. The former Sporting Lisbon boss was joined by his 5 assistants on the 11 a.m. flight from Beja on Monday morning. The Portuguese is set to touch down in Manchester at just before 2 p.m. UK time. Amorim enjoyed a fairy tale farewell at Sporting on Sunday evening, less than 12 hours before jetting off to take on his new Red Devils role, as the Portuguese club fought back from 2 goals down to triumph 4-2 over Braga. Now, the 39-year-old head coach turns his attention to Manchester United and the immediate issue of holding crunch talks with interim manager Ruud van Nistelrooy.